Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antique on our YouTube channel, showcasing some of the fine bone china being listed on the Vintage and Antiques website. And this is a stunning large 2.5 pint Royal Albert teapot. It's an old Paragon pattern called Country Lane, which was made under the Paragon branding for several decades before Paragon got absorbed into the group of potteries, the Allied Pottery Group, which also owned Royal Albert, and a few of their patterns and pattern references were continued under joint Paragon Royal Albert and subsequently Royal Albert branding. And this is an example of that, made by Royal Albert post 1963. The pattern is Country Lane, and the teapot is in the same sort of design and shape as was used by Paragon. The button handle on the little lid is identical. Size and shape and pattern transfer decoration all identical, but with, as you can see, black first quality Royal Albert Bona China England Paragon Country Lane 1963 copyright marks. Condition wise, it's in near mint condition. Has been used. There's a little bit of tannin staining just in the tea leaf catch at the base of the spout, but the gilt and decoration and brightness of the actual glaze, absolutely perfect, as near mint as you're going to find now. This is a vintage piece dating from probably mid-70s. I think they were manufactured up until the very early 80s when Country Lane was discontinued by Royal Albert. But it's a beautiful example. We have got the identical teapot available in Paragon branding from pre-1963, probably around 1960s, that piece. And we've also got the small version of this teapot available as a mini tea set with milk jug and sugar basin. So if you really love this, and it is a really nice decorative pattern, Country Lane. Reminds me a lot of the cold clough, almost identical pattern called Wayside or Hedgerow. There's two very similar cold clough designs in a very similar design. But this is Royal Albert, Country Lane, fine 2.25 pint teapot. Thanks for watching.